Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Arbys Horsey sauce that I got at Walmart. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're doing a review on the Arbys Horsey sauce. No more hoarding sauce packets. Now, I gotta be honest, I kind of have my doubts about this. One of the reasons you go to Arby's is, well, because of their sauce. It is a 16 fluid ounce bottle, and at the Walmart, it's $3.98. Best Buy, September 2023, and this is March. So you got March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Good for about 7 months. But I really got my doubts that they actually be bottling the horsey sauce. Because like I said, that's one of the reasons you get Arby's. So what we're going to do, once I get this open, is I'm going to try it on its own, see if it actually tastes the same. Then I'm going to make a sandwich and see how that tastes. There we go. Yeah, that does taste like their sauce, actually. Okay, now we're just going to be using Walmart brand stuff. I got Sam's Choice Sweet Hawaiian Rolls. Now, it does say on the back, try it with beef, pork, and chicken. Well, we're going to start with roast beef. The Great Value brand. Nothing fancy. Put that on there. I don't know about you, but I like a little bit of cheese on my roast beef sandwich. I'm just going to be using Great Value sliced pepper jack. Now I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the microwave for 30 seconds just to kind of get the chill off of it. Okay, fresh out of the microwave, let's go ahead and put some horsey sauce on it. Serving size, 1 tablespoon, 60 calories. Go ahead, take a little bite. That is amazingly good. That sandwich is almost as good as the real deal. Now, they did say about using chicken or ham. Also got some honey ham. We're going to do the same thing. I never actually thought about putting that sauce on ham or chicken. It doesn't sound like a bad idea, just not something I never thought of. Once again, slice with the pepper jack. Go ahead, stick her in the microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, fresh out of the microwave. I'm gonna do the same thing. Spread it around. Oh man, that is really good. Not as good as roast beef, but it's a lot better than what I thought it was going to be. I'm not sure how much a sandwich goes for at Arby's, but I'll probably have maybe $1 a piece in a sandwich, maybe $2. I definitely try a different kind of roll. They're good, but they just ain't quite there yet. But for the price, oh my God. Oh, yeah. And this is a solid 5 out of 5 star rating, especially for the price. I can't believe they're actually starting to bottle it up. Definitely go out, get it, try it. If you try it, let me know what you think. Okay, solid 5 out of 5 the whole way around. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.